Hello creators, I got an assignment to deliver a modern and stunning website for copywriting services for my client of course. And I got an exact match in terms of a modern theme at themeforest.net, and I just completed setting up this modern website. I got all the uh, elements, the layouts, and we can say the internal pages completely here in a simple and cool installation process, and I'm ready to put the content on this website to launch it very quickly. Okay, so I'll show you some pages. This is my target homepage, AI powered copywriting, and fortunately I got this exact match for the client requirements, and further I'm going to add contents and some more features as I got from my client. Yes, making a website using WordPress core and a perfect WordPress theme is very easy and you can do at your own. If you are running an agency, you can join the iCreate which is a very collaborative platform, and here you can get all the steps for your website and client needs and services, of course. So, and even if you are running a company and planning to have a complete digital services, this is the place where you can join the yours program, and you'll get a 12-week transformation for your business, digital transformation of course, and you'll get all the steps ready for launching your business or growing your business of course. So the target website is here, AI powered copywriting, and as I said, I got all the internal pages, and moreover, this theme that I have selected from the theme forest has the task management SaaS homepage that I have already shown you. It comes with in multi-page or one-page format depending upon your requirement and the content size. You can choose any of these versions. AI powered that I am going to use. App SaaS builder automation SaaS is also here. It is also working, so I'll show you the layout. Yes, so this is also very popular business category nowadays, since AI is everywhere. So automation is going with the AI, and the websites are turning into modern layouts nowadays, and the school uh, clean layout is very preferred for website deliveries. So it is all here, and this layout is also very good. So you can choose this automation SaaS layout if you have any such project. Further, I have another layouts, like I'll show you. This is the company says, and it is also very good. So company says model is, this is the layout. So you can of course explore all these layouts, since I have already installed all the theme with all set of demo content. So I got all the home pages. Yes, all the home pages with me. I can choose any of these home page, ready to use. Internal pages are here. So it is going to be super easy for me to launch the website in a sophisticated manner, right? So all home pages either in single or multi-page versions, and the stunning and fast loading website is here, and I can show you the inside of this installation. Why I'm showing you this? Because this video gives you the complete insight of the theme that we are going to use, and if you are going to choose any theme, you need to know what are the features, and without purchasing the theme you cannot know all these things. But watching the videos on this WP themes channel, you can explore hundreds of themes, plugins, and how to guides, so and you can make your decision very wisely. Okay, so this is the BrightHub that we are going to use and explore in this video. So BrightHub is a WordPress theme for SaaS and tech startup companies, and it has got very good reviews from its existing users. You can see the reviews, and the cost is very nominal, just $39 for the quality checked by Envato, the theme pack of course, and all future updates for this theme, and 6 month support from the Case theme, who are the power elite author at Theme Forest, and we are following this theme production house since long, and they actually create wonderful themes. So you can see the profile. So theme is regularly being updated, and it all compatible with the latest version of WordPress and the things that you need. So you can read all the details: SEO, audit and optimization, SaaS company, fintech SaaS, and the SaaS tech startup companies, and 24 plus built demos, every SaaS vision. Okay, that is very good. 50 plus inner pages, and uh, effortless page building with powerful tools. Okay, so it is all in your access. You can check all these details while I'm going to show you the inside. So I'll take you to the backend, and here is the installation. And once you install the theme with all demo content, we are here. So this is welcome page of BrightHub, and this is dashboard, and it shows the basic things. And at the same time, you can go for installing the plugins from here. However, I have already installed the plugin, and import demo data option is also here. So first of all, I'll show you which plugins was included, which are the plugins that have been used with the theme. So all plugins have been included in the theme pack. You don't need to buy any additional plugin until you are not willing to have any additional feature. And if you are willing to have additional features, just get in touch with us on a live chat. We may suggest a proper plugin or the way through which you can get the features at your website, and that would be more technically refined thing, right? Okay, so the plugins that we need to discuss: case add-ons is the core plugin, and this is already included. Case user is also here. Contact form 7 as usual. Elementor is the page builder that has been used with the theme. MailChimp for email subscription. Redux is the framework. Again, this is a very good technical combination with Elementor. It works very well. So Elementor plus Redux is going to be a very perfect and a strong combination for technical warehouse. Okay, WooCommerce is of course here. So just in case if you are planning to launch an e-commerce website, and some additional plugins for enhancing the features of WooCommerce. So this is all, and all these plugins can be installed in a single click using the setup wizard. Now when we are talking about the contents, we have 42 published pages. All home pages had been included in a single demo import, and just one demo import brings all these pages, internal pages or all home pages. So I have already shown you some layouts, like randomly I can again show you this fintech as one page version, and it works very good. So all layouts come with all elements and the images and all. So, and again, if we are talking about the contents again, so we have all images, media items that has been included in the theme pack itself. So I can show you 680 media items that I got in a single demo import, and it is going to be enough for me for using on the website. And even you can change your images, of course. So this is all. I can show you more. So all vector images are here, so we can use these images at website without any doubt, right? Next, I wish to show you the post, just in case if you are targeting to post. So these are the blog that have been included. Post template is also here, so you can create new post template, and the templates are the trending way through which you can create new layouts. Post B2B posts are here, and B2B tags, so you can use all these things for posting new content at your website. WooCommerce is here in case if you are targeting to sell products and even services on your website, so it can be easily done through the WooCommerce. It means the website, the installation well supports the e-commerce activities using WooCommerce, and you can start selling with your business website when you are using the BrightHub SaaS and tech WordPress theme, right? Next, I wish to show you the appearance and the customized option. So BrightHub is here. Theme options is going to be more important. Okay, so with these theme option, you can simply change the core things. I mean basic setups, like in the global colors you can select the primary color, secondary color, third link colors and all. Typography can be changed. The general settings gives you option to enable the lazy loading from images, site loader and all. In the footer and header area, you can change the multiple header, and there are multiple header here. You can select any of the suitable header for your website. Similarly, we have the mobile option, like we can change the logo, dark and light logos. In the header area, we can even choose to have the text login, and in the header you can change the logos as well. The post type template, then post type career, post type B2B settings, and some more settings can be seen here and used here. And for editing the content front end of the website, you can simply open the page that you are going to edit. Like I'm going to use this multi-page AI powered copywriting layout. This is my requirement to deliver, and I can simply start updating the content using this direct jump method, or using this Elementor page builder. Okay, so Elementor is very easy to use, and of course you can use at your own. You just need to go in the respective section, and the content will be available for editing purposes. So you might be wondering how you can get all these good images for your website, since you need to change these images and these contents, perfectly written content for your website. What you have to do, just buy the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net. So I'm going to add all the links in the video description. You need to buy this theme and join the iCreate program. Even you are not onboarding on the yours program, just join the program by using this get started form. We are going to set up your website, so you'll get all ready website in a very nominal fee, or even if you are buying the theme and you just need the basic installation. So we are going to install the theme at your domain, at your hosting perfectly without any fee. So when you are connecting on the iCreate hub, a community is going to support you in every manner to make your website successful. So we were talking about the images. So you can get all the images, all the stuffs here through the multiple solutions that you can access here in the solution page. And it is not just what it mentioned here. You can request any thing for your website, and the live chat is going to be very helpful in this regard. So just like if you need a logo or images, perfectly written content, you can request a mentor here who can deliver all the things, who can arrange all the things to make your website live and popular even. So the digital program is here, so you can explore all these digital foundation and brand identity program that takes around 3 months. But yes, you will get a complete ecosystem for your digital setup, and you will be able to run your business, or you can deliver the same to your client. So if you are an agency, you can even join as the agency, and it is also a very good idea to get the solution and ready things at a lower price, and you can sell at a higher price to your prospective client. So you are not going to do the heavy lifting and the tasks. So all it is done by the experts in the industry. Okay, so we can discuss a lot of things about the WordPress website on this channel, and in this video we just explored the BrightHub SaaS and tech startup WordPress theme, which is going to be a perfect choice if you are targeting any website like I shown you. But yes, I can show you again. If you are targeting a website for, okay, so the task management, the AI copywriting, app builder, the automation SaaS, the blockchain, the help desk SaaS, company SaaS, and even more, right? Even more. So it kind the video generator and all. So I have already shown you the inner pages. So choose this theme or explore more themes, WordPress themes, premium themes, stunning themes here on this channel in form of videos, and you can get in touch with a mentor just in case if you are having any trouble or wish to choose a suitable layout, plugin, and services for your website. So let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.